So tournament day got canceled. We're sitting on like, so I'd say 6-8 foot swell. Let's take a look here. Oh, oh wow, that one just, okay, so that bowl is going in there. Oh my god, ridiculous right now. It is super rough and we've got broken porcelain everywhere, fans flying. It is pretty well. Those are the big rollers just coming out of the marina. That was insane. We had some casualties. We lost the bowl. Those first rollers, everything just gone. What? I'm good. Yeah. I'm good. It's not bad. Once we're going with it, it's cake. I think we're gonna get set up after I clean up this. We are rolling here, folks. We are rolling.